I wanted to quickly make a video showing the Final Cut Pro X 10.7 update on a iMac Intel instead of the M series. On the screen you'll see the system I have on my iMac. So I was going through testing third-party plugins to make sure that they all work. The plugins were all working just fine, and then once I got to the Motion VFX M Tracker 3D, it wasn't working. I've also uninstalled and reinstalled M Tracker 3D numerous times and it still isn't working, but what I thought was interesting is I no longer have M Tracker 3D in the titles, so I thought that's something just to be aware about, that at least if you're not in the M series, that the M Tracker 3D probably won't be working on the new update. That's it for this video. I just wanted to do a quick update on that. Please consider commenting, liking, and subscribing as it helps this channel to grow, and thank you so much for watching.